Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about Asthalin 100 micrograms inhaler. We'll cover its uses, benefits, side effects, how to use it, and how it works. Let's dive right in. Manufactured by Cipla Ltd. Asthalin 100 micrograms inhaler. Uses. Asthalin 100 micrograms inhaler is primarily used for the treatment and prevention of asthma and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. It helps to open up your airways, making breathing easier. Benefits. The Asthalin 100 micrograms inhaler is a bronchodilator that relaxes the muscles of the airways, allowing them to stay open. This makes it easier to breathe, relieving symptoms like chest tightness, shortness of breath, wheezing, and coughing. The effects start within minutes and can last for several hours, helping you carry out daily activities more easily. Side effects. While Asthalin 100 micrograms inhaler is generally safe and effective, it may cause some side effects. Common side effects include tremors, headache, palpitations, increased heart rate, muscle cramps, respiratory tract inflammation, and cough. Most side effects are mild and disappear as your body adjusts to the medicine, but if they persist, consult your doctor. How to use. To use Asthalin 100 micrograms inhaler, shake it well before each use. As you breathe in through your mouth, press down on the inhaler once to release the medication and hold your breath for 10 seconds. Repeat this until you have inhaled the prescribed number of puffs. Don't forget to rinse your mouth with water and spit it out afterward. How it works? Asthalin 100 micrograms inhaler is a bronchodilator. It works by relaxing the muscles around the airways, which helps to widen the airways and make breathing easier. This action provides relief from symptoms of asthma and COPD, such as wheezing and shortness of breath.